Hey everyone, this is Angie at Stampin' with Amore. Welcome to my channel. If you are new to my channel, I'm an independent Stampin' Up demonstrator and I post on Tuesday, Thursday, and Sunday. And if you have not subscribed yet, please subscribe and hit that bell for notifications each time I upload a new video. Also, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up and comment down below because it really helps my channel a whole lot. So thank you in advance for that. And let's get on with the project. So today we are making Ghirardelli holders. This one has 2 Ghirardelli in it, the regular size Ghirardelli, and then this has a York mint peppermint patty. And the peppermint patty, it only holds 1, but it does hold 2 of the Ghirardelli because they are really flat and thin. So this is what I'm sharing today. I am sharing some really cute dies to create this little front part here. This one is petal pink. This is our new Orchid Oasis, and I used a ribbon on here. The ribbon is our cotton ribbon, and this one, it comes in a 2-pack. It comes like this. It is in our mini catalog right now. And then this one I use the baker's twine, which I'm going to use on the one I shared today. I like the baker's twine. The ribbon's really cute too. I didn't have a bunch of ribbon that's this thin, but I do like it on this one. But the baker's twine is really cute too, and I love that baker's twine that it's striped like that. All right, so let's go ahead and get started with this. What you are going to need for this. These are the designer tag dies, and I am using these for this one. And I'm using this large one right here. That's what's going to give us that little edge that we're going to use. I am using the cup of tea bundle right here, and I'm using the dies as well. I'm using this flower, the leaf, and the enjoy from this, and I'm also using the dies, which are these 3 dies right here, the little tag as well that's in this bundle right here. The designer series paper, this what I'm using today is going to be from the 2022-24 in colors, and I'm using this Tahitian Tide. And the one I used for the petal pink is from the subtles, and they come in all our color families. All right, so I think that is everything that we need for this, except for the baker's twine, which it comes in all our new in colors. I love this baker's twine. All right, to make this, what you're gonna need, this is, like I said, Tahitian Tide. This is 8 1/4 by 2 5/8. All these directions, if you are new, they will be in an inspiration sheet on my blog once I post this. The pieces that you need to cut for the matting are 1 5/8 by 2 1/2, 2 1/2 by 2, and 2 3/8 by 2 1/2. Now I want to show you something, because if you cut this right, if you take a piece like this and you just cut it at 2 1/2 down, you will get all 3 pieces here, and you can make 4 of these out of 1 piece of cardstock. So very economical and just really cute. They would be really cute just for like a coworker, for anybody, like a birthday, anything. You know that you can take these to nursing homes or anything like that. All right, so first thing I want to do with this is score it. So we're going to score only on the 8 1/4 inch side. We are going to score at 2 1/2, 3, 5 1/2, and 6. A really easy one. This part here is going to be our top. So I am going to bring up the cut and emboss, and first let's stamp, because I could do all this at one time. So let's just go ahead and stamp first, and then we could cut our flower and our little tag and all that out at the same time. So I am going to make this monochromatic, so we're using Tahitian Tide for the flower. And then I'm going to use the old olive. I use the old olive on all of them. So that's what I'm going to use for this one, for the leaf. And I'm just spreading them out so that the dies don't interfere with each other. And then I'm going to stamp with Memento Black, the Enjoy. And then we're going to cut out the little tag. Just like that. And then we can do our cutting on our holder as well. All right, I'm going to make this smaller. And I'm going to grab our dies. And before I do that, I already got my mint tape on these. So I am going to go ahead and set these all ready to go. And the flower, it is a little bit difficult to line up, but just look for like the longest one right here and then just line it up on there. It's such a little one, so you have to be careful. All right, now let's grab the cut and emboss. So let's run these through first, and then I will show you how to do the top of the treat holder. So we got our flower and our leaf and our little tag. All right, so now for the treat holder. This side's a little bit longer. That's the side you're going to cut from. Now, how you want to do this? What you're going to do here is you are going to slide this inside here, and you want to line this up. You want to make sure it's straight and it's lined up. In fact, I need to turn it this way to make sure I have it straight. And you want to line it up right to the top here. Oh, I just moved it. All right, just like that, and then we're going to run this through. And you're only going to run it through to the top part, and that's it, because it's just going to cut that little area that we want cut right there. Isn't that cute? It's really easy to do, y'all. You just slip it. I'm going to show you on this one how you do it again. You just slip it in here like this. You're not going to do it on both sides, just the one, but I want to show you again. That you just slip it inside here and just line it up, the edges up, and then line that up at the top. So that's it. All right, let's move this out of the way and we're ready to go. It's really easy. All right, so first thing we're going to do is mat. So I'm going to mat with my wet glue. This is our middle piece because it's the largest. I love this little flower pattern on these. I love all the patterns this time. They're all so cute. And this is our bottom piece. And then this one, I'm going to round the little corners, just two of the corners, because this is rounded here. You don't even have to if you don't want, but I like the way it looked better when it was rounded. And that goes right down there. So out of that one little 2.5 inch piece, you can cut all three of these pieces. I'm going to sharpen our score marks here. Now, how do I keep the Ghirardellis in? I just use my Stampin' Sale Plus, and I just put it like that. I'm going to lay these down. I'm going to put one more little strip on here. You can use either of your Stampin' Seals. They'll both hold it. And then this will close like that. Let's get our tag ready to go first. So I'm using my 1/8 inch circle punch. So whatever you have, just use, because we don't carry this 1/8 inch anymore. And I think I just got it stuck in there. And then we're going to add our flower. So I'm just going to add a little bit to the bottom here, and then we're going to add it to our flower. And then this is just going to go on to the bottom of our tag here. So I'm just going to put a little bit of glue on the top where it's going to touch that. And it's just going to go like that. So now that's all ready. We're going to give it a minute to dry. We're going to get our baker's twine out here, and I'm going to double this again because I really like the look of it doubled. I probably don't need that much, but let's make it a little bit shorter. I don't want to waste it. I think that's good. It'll give me a little extra. So it's about 15 inches, but you probably don't need that much, but we're going to go with it so I can show you here. All right, so we're going to bring that around. I am going to first tie a little knot here, a little thing before, tie it closed like that before I put on the little tag here. You can also, if you want to use a little mini dimensional, you can put a little mini dimensional underneath the tag and it'll keep it in place. I did that with the one that was, let's make these both the same size. I'll do it and I'll show you here in a minute. That actually wasn't too bad. I bet about 13 inches would have been enough for this if you want to know about how much it is. Look how adorable. But if you want to use a mini dimensional underneath your tag, you can just stick one underneath to keep it in place. But then they're going to have to pop it off when you, whoops, I got two on there. We don't need to. And then you can just pop it up like that. And it'll keep it right in place like that. Isn't it cute? I hope you like it. It's really, really cute. So there's all three of them. But I did put it on here, but not on this one. I just left it free. All right, everyone. I hope you enjoyed it. I really want to make one in every new in color. I could make them in every color we have, but oh my goodness, they're so easy and really fun. And I think these are really going to be really good for like a nursing home or a senior center. They'd really, really enjoy that. All right, everyone, I hope you have a blessed day. Thank you for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one. See you later, everyone. Bye.